To open a Bank of Baroda senior citizen account, start by gathering the necessary documents, including proof of age, identity, and address. Typically, this includes a valid passport, voter ID, or Aadhaar card, along with a utility bill or other address proof. Next, visit the nearest Bank of Baroda branch and ask for the senior citizen account opening form. Fill out the form carefully, providing all required details, such as your name, date of birth, and contact information. You will also need to provide the documents gathered in the first step for verification purposes. After filling out the form, submit it to the bank representative, who will then verify the documents and check the form for completeness. You may be required to provide additional information or clarify any discrepancies found during the verification process. Once the verification is complete, the bank representative will guide you through the account opening process, which includes selecting the type of account, such as a savings or current account, and choosing any additional services you may require, like a debit card or internet banking facility. As a senior citizen, you are eligible for certain benefits and concessions, including higher interest rates on deposits, lower minimum balance requirements, and exemption from certain fees and charges. Be sure to ask the bank representative about these benefits and how they apply to your account. After completing the account opening process, you will receive a welcome kit, which includes a passbook, debit card, and other account details. Review the kit carefully to ensure all information is accurate and complete. Finally, to activate your account, you will need to make an initial deposit, which can be done through cash, check, or transfer from an existing account. Once the deposit is made, your account will be active, and you can start using it for your banking needs. By following these steps, you can easily open a Bank of Baroda senior citizen account and take advantage of the benefits and services designed specifically for senior citizens. Remember to always review the account terms and conditions carefully and ask questions if you need clarification on any aspect of the account.